Hi Abhishek, apologies for the delay, but I'm going to kind of be explaining the entire NFT minting flow to you so you can get on with the work. So I'm just going to explain the contracts to you. So I have this contract called folder called NFT Simple, where if you go inside source, you will find all the NFT related contracts. Okay, these are the ones that we'll be using for minting as well as getting NFT related data. Now, the thing that you actually see, the compile contract is the lib.rs, but you can see that lib.rs uses certain other contracts in the form of crates. Crates are nothing but Rust packages. So you can see that it uses different crates like metadata crate. You can see metadata.rs. It uses mint.rs, NFT core. It uses token. So and it uses enumerable. All of these you can see are the different contracts that are here that are in the form of crates in this particular lib.rs. Okay. So the first thing that you need to do is basically call the new function. Okay. So once you have the new function, once you call this new function, this is nothing but your NFT, that is your NFT contract being initialized. Okay. So if you take a look at the GitHub code, you can see that using this contract, you can mint a couple of NFTs, right? And you can use those NFTs to display on your platform, etc. If you see the functions in this particular contract, what we need to use, a couple of these are related to storage. What that means is this particular contract allows different others to use to mint NFTs using this contract, right? So this may require some kind of storage if they are expecting folks who are going to mint to send in some amount of money as storage for allowing them to mint. Okay. That is where most of the storage parameters or storage functions are there. I don't think we need that as of now. This is set contract royalty. So whenever you are setting the royalty, whenever you have to provide royalty, you can call this function, right? Add token types. At this moment we don't need to call this. Unlock token types is also not needed. All the get calls are get contract royalty, get supply caps. Again, I don't think we'll have a supply cap. Get token types log, we are not going to lock anything. Is token log, we are not going to log anything. Now the main functions would come from the mint.rs. So if you want to mint, you have to call the NFT mint. Okay. Before calling this NFT mint, we need to go for lib.rs is new. Okay, new is the first thing then we need to call in every. So there are two folders. One is related to NFTs and other is related to market. Okay, so we are going to use both of these set of contracts, lib.rs from both. So for after new, we go for NFT mint, which you can use to mint an NFT. Okay. This will in turn call the set royalty and things like that whenever we are giving the royalty over here, right? It will set the royalty, then it will create the whole tokens and stuff like that. It mints your entire token, right? So this is your mint NFT function that you are going to call using from this contract. Okay, so you don't have to actually use this, but I'm just saying NFT mint is going to be the first thing that you need to call. Once you have minted your NFT, you can perform some other options like NFT transfer. Okay, at the moment you don't need it. NFT transfer payout, don't worry about all this. NFT approve is a function that I will talk to you a little bit about. Okay. Okay, none of the contracts we need, none of the functions we need from here. Okay, let's go to metadata. This is NFT metadata. So in case you want to retrieve the NFT metadata, make a get call and show what are the minted tokens. You can use the NFT metadata function. Okay, this is from a get perspective. Now, don't think we need this token. We don't need this either. We don't need this, we don't need this. Okay, so for now in this we have done a new and we have minted an NFT. Okay, now there is now what you are going to do is, after you mint an NFT, you want to set the NFT for sale, right, by the marketplace. Now how does this work is, if you are an NFT owner and you want to set an NFT for sale, okay, what you can do is you will have to give the market. Okay, before that, let me go to the marketplace contract and show you. So if you go to the lib.rs under market simple, you can see that there is a new function here as well. So what this means is you will have to deploy a marketplace contract. See, there are two contracts. You will deploy an NFT contract and a marketplace contract, right? So now you have, whoever owns that NFT, they have to give the marketplace the access to okay. So you have to give the access to that particular marketplace contract to be able to sell your NFT, right? That's what it means when you are having a marketplace. You are facilitating the selling. So before we call the approve over there, you have to first call the new here and deploy a marketplace contract. See, deploying a marketplace contract and deploying an NFT contract, these are one-time actions. Okay, once you have the NFT contract deployed, you can keep minting to different people, right? Different artists. And once you have a marketplace contract, you can use the same contract for setting it up for sale. So once you call this new contract, right, you will have a market contract that is deployed to a particular address, something like abhishek.market testnet, market.abhishek.testnet, something like that, right? Once you have that, then you have to call this function called approve. Okay, let me go here. So yeah, okay, so they are calling it NFT approve here. You have to call this NFT approve, right? Which would mean that this will approve a particular account, right, to spend the NFT or to transfer the NFT on your behalf, right? So this has to be called by the minter, whoever is minting, that we are minting this NFT, but we are allowing the marketplace contract to transfer this NFT from my account to the particular another account, whoever would have eventually bought this NFT, right? So you have to call this NFT approve. Now in this particular contract, they have a function that they are sending at least one YOC to, that is something like 0.000 I think 18 decimals or so, one, right, to ensure that they are sending some minimal amount to this NFT approve function. If you comment out this assert, you don't have to send anything to this function, but if you want to keep it as is, that's also okay. So it's like good faith kind of thing. So once they approve this, then only you can go back to the marketplace and put up the NFT for sale, right? So once they put up the NFT for sale, right, let's say okay, so this is the offer function, that's not something we need. Process purchase, all these are being called internally, okay, so don't worry about that. See, okay, there are these storage, deposit, etc. You don't have to worry about that. Let me see what is the function for putting the NFT. Okay, so NFT approve, then okay, transfer okay, let me see where the sale function is.